Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a WAC ORB Smart fan with a light on it and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on the controller or the receiver. And you might want to do this for a couple of reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where these are not pairing with one another, or if they don't seem to be responding, or if you're having any issues like that that you're trying to fix, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now you're going to need to set things up again because everything will be wiped off and it will be like it just when it came out of the box. And that's kind of the second reason that you might want to do this, is that if you're setting this up on a new fan or in a new lighting or whatever, and you just want it to be like it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. Now for the controller, it's pretty simple. You're just going to find the light, the fan, and this circle button here, and you're going to press and hold these three buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds, and that will reset the controller. For the receiver, you'll flip it over and find the little reset button that you'll need a paper clip or something like that. Again, you'll need to push and hold that button for 5 to 10 seconds, and you should hear the receiver actually audibly beep when the reset is complete.